In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all comments in Google Sheets 2024. Whether you've inherited a document with lots of comments or simply want a cleaner, distraction-free sheet, knowing how to remove comments efficiently can be incredibly useful. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. You can either navigate to it directly through Google Drive or access it from the link you have. Once you're in, you'll need to look for any cell that has a comment. Typically, Google Sheets marks these cells with a small triangle in the upper right corner. These indicators will help you identify the cells you'll need to focus on. Once you've located a cell with a comment, go ahead and select it by clicking on it. When you do this, you should notice that the comment associated with the cell becomes visible. This is crucial because the next steps will revolve around the comment itself. Now hover your mouse over the cell with the comment. As you do this, a message window will appear alongside the cell, allowing you to interact significantly more with the comments options. Next, locate and click on the More Options menu, typically represented by 3 vertical dots in this message window. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to have the option to delete the comment. Simply click the Delete button. It's that straightforward. Once you've done this, your comment will be cleared from that specific cell. You'll need to repeat this process for each cell that has an unwanted comment. Just as a reference, remember to always start from selecting the cell, revealing the comment, and continuing with the steps as demonstrated. It's worth noting that Google Sheets does not currently offer a direct way to bulk delete all comments at once. Therefore, it's mostly a manual process unless someone implements a script or add-on for the task. So, a little bit of patience goes a long way if you have a sheet with several comments. Once you've gone through each cell and removed the comments, your sheet should be much cleaner, making it easier to read and analyze the data without distractions. Remember, keeping your data organized and free from unnecessary comments can enhance not just your workflow, but also the experience for others who might need to collaborate with you on the same document. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more tips on managing your digital workspace effectively.